What's up, guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys on how you can trade spot trade on MEXC Global. All right, and this exchange I really like it because they are not charging you when you are trading either on spot trading or future trading. Can you see everything here is almost lowest fee? Okay, and if you are a new member to my YouTube channel here, try to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Okay, so here is that this is zero spot maker. They are not charging you here when you are trading spot trading or either future trading. Today video we want to talk about how can you trade spot and how you can buy a crypto and sell it and make profit in this tutorial video. So just make sure to watch this video to the end. Don't skip any part of this video. Okay, so when you try to log, either you log into your to your phone or you log into your mobile browser like this. I'm logging on my computer. I will show you in two ways. When maybe if you are using a laptop or you are using a phone, I will show you everything right now in this video. Just make sure to just watch this video to the end. Okay, so the first thing now is to just come to your wallet. If you want to start trading here, if you don't have money there, just come to your wallet here and click on this spot trading. Okay, click on this spot. Okay, when you click on spot, it will bring you to this page. If you don't have money on that account, just make sure to click on this deposits. Then you now deposit either USDT, because we normally use USDT as a means of deposit. Then you now select the network here. Okay, TRC20. Okay, then you now copy the wallet the TRC 20 address. You now send money to this account. Okay, so when you send the TRC 20 network, then the money will now reflects. Let me show you. The money now reflect here. Even me, I just make a deposit of $500 to this account less than few minutes right now, so I can see. So this is my and this I have already buy some coin and they are giving me some profits. Pepe like that, Lucky. Okay, I still have some USDT for me to trade. Okay, so when the money will reflect on your USDT account here. Okay, very simple and easy, guys. Okay, so right now, so after the money has been reflected, then we now try to go back to the market here. This is the market. Can you see my arrow? We now go to the market, then we now try to select the coin we want to buy to make some profits. We can buy, you can, maybe you want to buy a Bitcoin, you want to buy, so any wallets, anything you want to buy here is very amazing. Okay, let's say I want to trade this is okay, this is market. Okay, what's okay, this is market. Just come to market here. Okay, when you come to market, we see a lot of coin. This is a lot of, we're in market already. So you see we are in market already, so just search for a crypto here. Let's say you want to start BTC wherever, or you want to, let me say I want to trade with U versus sorry, okay, let's say I want to trade a Wu. I want to trade this coin, Wu USDT. Okay, I want to trade, let me just say I want to trade this coin. So it will bring me to this area to trade, to select. Okay, let me just try to come down. Okay, this is buy and sell. So current price is 0.29, and I want to buy at lower price when the coin is try to pumping now. Okay, it's pumping. Okay, let me just try to, so the current price of this coin is 0.2. okay, but for me, maybe I want to buy at lower price. Okay, you know, this is buy button and this is sell button. Okay, all right, this is buy button and this is sell button. So maybe I want to, because the coin has already, I don't want to buy at this current price because I want to make profit. Let's say I want to buy at let me just show you something right now quick. Okay, this is the buy, I want to buy at 0.29. I can just select, let's say I want to buy at 0.20. okay, I want to buy at 0.25. Okay, you know the current price is 0.29. So I want to buy. So let me just let's say I want to buy with just $100. Let me just, this is the amount. Sorry, I want to buy with just $100 here. I'll not put sorry, I want to buy yes with just $100. I'll just say $100, $100. Okay, so I want to buy at 0.25. So I'll get 394 of this coin. I will now click on this buy button. Can you see the limit is I want to buy at 0.25. The current price is 0.29. I will now click on this confirm button. So when the order, so it's already create an order for me. This is a buy limit order, so I want to buy at 0.25. okay, so when the coin drop to 0.25, it will automatically buy for me. Can you see? It will automatically buy for me. So can you see I've already set something here. I've already tried to set my limit here of buying. So this is how to buy. So you buy at lower price. You know the current price is what? 0.29. So I now set my limit that if this coin drop to 0.25, it will buy for me. So I don't need to do anything. That's how to buy. So let me just show you how to sell. Let's say you buy the coin at 0.25. Okay, then you now come here again. After the coin has been already buy for you at 0.25, you don't need the sell button. If you want to set your limits without even, maybe you want to go to work or you want to go and sleep, you don't need to stay on your computer or your phone all the time. After the after you have already buy at 0.25, let's say I want to make my profit. Okay, I want to sell at, this is the price here, I will now say that I want to sell at 0.3. You know, I buy at 0.25, 0.352, 56, sorry. I will now say, okay, I will now click on this sell button. It will now sell for me automatically. After I've already set my limit. So let me just show you sample. So this is the one of my coin. I set the limit here. I can even zoom it for you guys to see something. Okay, sorry. So so I can even, so you see it, can you see it here? So I've already set my limit already. So when this coin hits up 0.21, it will sell for me. So this is the same thing here. All right, it's the same thing here. How to buy and sell is very, very simple. So this is how to buy. Then you now say you buy at 0.25. Then you now set your limit. Okay, I want to make some profit. I will now sell at 0.35. Okay, 35 what? Let's say 351. So this is how to just let's say 351. So that's how to just buy and sell. So let me just log in on my phone right now to show you something, how you can do it on your phone as well. Maybe you may not understand on my laptop. Okay, but let me just go back here. Okay, so I'll already show how to buy on laptop here, how to buy and sell and make your profit. Okay, so let me just try to go to my laptop, to my phone here to show you something real quick on how to buy on your mobile phone, so that you guys just make sure to just give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you guys can understand. Okay, let me just try to do it here on my phone so that you guys can understand. Okay, let me just try to log in on my phone here so that you guys, all right. Okay, this is my phone here. All right, this is my phone. Can you see this is my phone here? Okay, can you see my phone? I've already logged in on my phone so that you guys can see. Can you see all what I'm doing on my phone? Okay, if you can see, my phone is very, very okay. So this is my phone interface. So right now, let me just click on the wallet. Can you see this is the wallet? All right. Okay, let me just try to show you something real quick. All right. Okay, so that you guys can understand all what I mean. Okay. All right. So this is my, right now this is my phone. All right. Can you see on my phone? So let's say if you want to buy on your phone, it's very simple and easy, guys. So just come to your wallet down below. This is the wallet. When you click on the wallet here, can you see my arrow of my something? Click on the wallet. Okay, when you click on the wallet, then you need to just try to make a deposit on this area. Can you see? You now click on this area to make your deposit. Okay, can you see I've already clicked the deposit on that area? Then the next thing now right now, guys, is to just try to click on, let's say you want to deposit USDT, just click on this USDT. Okay, then you have to just select the TRC20 network. You now click on TRC20 network here. Then you now try to copy the address. Okay, then you now send the money to this address. Okay, you now send the money to this address. So after the money has been arrived, okay, just select the TRC20. After the money arrived, just come back again here, come back again. Let me just come back. So let me just go back to home page. So this is the home page. So let's say then you now try to go to market here. All right, so try to come to this. This is the market down below here. Can you see this is market down below? Then you now try to select the coin you want to buy. Then you come to market. Let's say you want to trade Bitcoin, wherever. It's the same thing. Or you want to trade coin like this coin, like Litecoin, whatever. Let's say, let me just choose a Litecoin LTC. Let's say I want to just come to this start bar area. Then let's say I want to trade LTC. Okay, I want to trade what? LTC. I'll just type LTC here. LTC. Okay, I want to trade LTC. Okay, all right, I want to trade LTC spots. Okay, let's see Litecoin. I want to trade Litecoin. This is my Litecoin. Then can you see? So the Litecoin, let's see, I will now click on this buy. Can you see my arrow? I'll now click on this buy. Okay, when I click on buy, so I want to Litecoin, current price of this Litecoin is just 89, but I don't want to buy at that 89. Let's say I want to buy at 80, let's say 88 or 87. So I'll now say, okay, I want to buy at this current price. I want maybe when the coin drop down small. Okay, drop down small. I will now say, okay, buy for me. I will now click here. I will now say it's okay, buy for me at 87. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake here. All right, okay, this is the current price. This is the current price of LTC. So let me just say buy for me at the rate of 80 something. Okay, let me just try to delete the price. I will now say, okay, buy for me at the rate of 87. Okay, or 87. Okay, buy for me at the rate of 87. I will now say, okay, I want to buy, like, let's say $200 worth of that LTC token. Okay, I will now say I want to buy like $200 of LT token. $200. Okay, then I will now try to say, okay, you know, the current price is just $89 right now. So but I don't want to buy at $89. I want to buy at $87. When it dropped to $87, you buy at lower price. Then I will now say, okay, I will now click on this buy. It will now say buy. Can you see? It's now say buy LTC. You know, I want to buy at $87. So amount with just $200. I will now say come buy. Okay, it has already. Then you see the order has already been. This is the order. So when the coin dropped to $87, it will automatically buy for me. This is the simple way to buy coin at lower price, then you sell it. Or when I give you guys an update that you should buy coin, just follow this strategy that you buy at lower price, then you sell in higher price. So you know, this I have already shown you how to buy now. So right now, let me show you right now on how you can sell now. So you know, let me just even cancel this order. Okay, so right now, let's say you buy at $87. You buy at what? 87. So this is the, then you now bring your arrow to, you now come to this sell button, this area. This is sell. Okay, this is sell. Can you see? Red button means to sell, while green button means to buy. Green button means to buy, while the red button means to sell. Can you see? I've already put my arrow on sell. So you know, this coin, I buy this coin at $87 right now. Okay, so I will now set my limit that If this coin rise up to, let's say, like $85, sell for me. I will not try to delete this one. I will not try to delete this one. Okay, if this, I buy at the rate of $87, but I want to sell it at is okay 87, yes, $87. Okay, $87. I want to sell it at $95. When the coin rises to 95, I'm not saying 9, sell for me at the rate of $95. I will now click on this sell button. Sell what? Sell button. Even if I'm not online, it will sell for me automatic because I've already set my limit. Okay, I've already set my limit. Can you see? This is the limit here. We have limit, we have market, we have stop limit. Okay, we have market means to buy at the current, to sell at the current price, instant price. Why stop limit means, if maybe you want, let's say, if maybe you are afraid to lose your money, you can stop, you can set a stop limit. Let's say if the coin is dropping much, you can say, okay, when it reaches so amount, stop and sell for me automatically. Maybe you don't want to lose. Meaning of stop limit now, stop limit means you don't want to lose your money. Let's say, if you can lose, like, let's say five you can lose like $10 out of your money. Let's say you invest $100 now. Let's say if your money has dropped to $95, you now set it as stop limit. Okay, stop limit. You now say stop limit, sell for me at so amount. But in my next coming video, I can show you that what is stop limit and market limit. Today video, I just want to show you how you can buy and sell coin on this particular exchange, and I've already shown you guys on how to do it step by step on this particular video. Okay, very easy and easy. If you enjoy this video, just give me a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is all my sell. This is all my sell limit. I've already set it down, so even whether I'm not online, it will automatically sell for me. This is how to just buy and sell crypto on MEXC exchange to make your own profit. You buy at lower price, then you sell at higher price. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you guys to just give me a like and subscribe. Then if you don't have account before, you will see the links down below this video to register right now. Then use my link to register, and make sure to join my Telegram group to be getting update when to buy a coin and when to sell a coin. Okay, to be getting free update from me without paying anything to me. Okay, thank you guys. The link is down below this video to register and start making a lot of money for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, guys.